everybody, welcome back to part 2. So apparently my webcam doesn't want to agree with Screencast-O-Matic and won't record the webcam with the webcam apparently, even though the green light's on. And apparently with the free version of Screencast-O-Matic, I can't get computer audio. So I can only do narration, which sucks. But oh well, I'll just have to deal with it. So nah. So I'm just gonna do a version of the standard casual because why not? When I was waiting for part 1 to upload, pardon me, when I was waiting for why can't I hear anything? There we go. Like I was saying, whoa. Like I was saying, trying to oh yeah, like I was saying, the free version can't get computer audio, so we're just gonna have to deal with my narration. I need a boost there. So yeah, I can't get computer audio, which means so far until I get computer audio for Screencast-O-Matic, I don't have I don't need to use copyright because you won't even be able to hear it. There's one copyright loophole. Got it? I don't got it. No. Card. Yes. Yes, teammate. Oh. Whoa. Move it. Whee. Please, don't judge my reactions. I got it. Yes! And now I do donuts. Whee! No. I hate it when the ball's up in the air and I can't hit it. Why is someone on goal? Ugh. Actually, kind of glad you don't have to hear the audio. So when you drift, it's really not the pleasantest sound. It's really not a pleasant sound. It's not the best sound in the world. Sounds like skid. Sounds like skidding. Yeah, move it. Move it, bub. Whoa. Move it. Let me crud. Heather. And nope. Epic save. Ah. Yes. No. Stop breakdancing. You stop breakdancing for 5 seconds. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why am I moving so slow? I had it. Someone has to be on goal. Got it, I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it! Yeah! We can just keep it like this. Yes! Yes! No! You had a shot on goal! You could have made it! Oh, I got the speed. Oh my god. Sometimes I don't even know where I'm going. And I just and sometimes, pardon me. And that yeet. No! If you hadn't bumped into me, I would have scored! Doink. Get it, get it, get it, get it. No! No! We can't go into overtime! No! Okay, during overtime, I'm sitting on goalie, no matter what. I have gotta let my teammates get the win. This is some serious business, guys. We cannot have... Not where I want to spawn. Oh, no, no, no. Buzz, stay a goalie. Bingo. This is gameplay time. Hey! Buzz, 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 buzz. We need you on. Go! Okay, cursor, can you please stop doing that? Okay, if you're not goalie, I am. Whee. They are not scoring. They're not. The opposing team is not going to score on this goal. I think not! Shit. No! No! Whoa! Much time. There we go. Not bad. Well. Well, I'm glad you could make. I'm glad you. And if you haven't watched that, I can't speak. Thank you. Thank you for. Well, this is all the time I have here since I'm not risking it. So, thank you for watching. Click the like button and subscribe down below. Feel free to comment if you want. And, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Bye.